Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing your system and opening the right panel. First, verify your Windows version and make a quick restore point. This prevents accidental loss. Once done, open Settings, go to Personalization, then Taskbar so you land directly at the controls you need. Make sure to close any apps that automatically pin icons. This reduces interference while you adjust visibility. These steps get you into the right place quickly, and they explain why a clean start avoids later rework. You now change the core settings that make the taskbar clear. Toggle transparency effects for a translucent look, and enable automatically hide to collapse the bar when inactive. Next, remove unused pinned apps by right-clicking and unpinning, and disable icon badges and system icons you don't need to reduce clutter. Then open Taskbar Corner Overflow to hide lesser icons. These actions together clear visual noise and free screen space, so your taskbar looks minimal while preserving the icons you use most. You finish by confirming changes and knowing what to do if something fails. After adjusting options, sign out or restart Explorer. EXE to apply visuals immediately. A full reboot also works. If the taskbar still shows clutter, perform a clean boot to find apps that force pins or icons. Should settings behave oddly, restore the system point you created, or reset taskbar settings in Settings. This sequence closes the loop. It finalizes the clear look and gives one key recovery step so you won't lose work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.